HiKoki is here, and Pro Tool Reviews brings the Buzzkill.
Toolbox Buzz puts on a backpack vac, and you could win a mechanic set just by subscribing and commenting below.
It's Friday, September 28th.
This is your Coptool Weekend Review.
Good news for our British friends. HiKoki tools are finally here, and Keith Brown from Rag and Bone fame on YouTube will send a full arsenal of green HiKoki power tools to review. 12 different tools to be exact, and Keith gives us a complete look at all their features, including a review of the new multi-volt battery platform. So if you're from that side of the pond, you'll certainly want to give this video a watch, as it's one of the first complete looks at this new tool lineup. If you're from this side of the pond, you can use our comments below to keep making fun of Hitachi's new name.
Ridgid excited plumbers all around the globe this month by finally releasing the Ridgid K5208 drain cleaner, the most powerful compact sectional machine on the market. This model comes in 35% lighter and sports a 71% smaller footprint over the model it replaces. Yet despite its smaller size, it finds a way to fit 3/4 of a horse in there, giving it the power it needs to clean out up to an 8-inch drain. If you're a plumber, you probably know why the K5208 features a toolless clutch, square tubing, quick dump cord management, and a Trident sectional cable decoupler. If you're like me and have no idea what all that means, head over to Ridgid.com to learn more.
As the job gets bigger, the tool gets bigger, and it's reasonable to assume that you're going to deal with a bit of vibration. But nothing seems to shake Kenny over at Pro Tool Reviews thanks to the new Skilsaw 15-amp recip saw with Buzzkill technology. Kenny claims that this Buzzkill tech is the real deal. This saw features a full-frame counterbalance that adds to the overall weight and size, but makes a remarkable difference in the amount of vibration that makes its way back to the user. And this is no small deal with such a big tool. Aside from that added weight, he notes that this model lacks some of the bells and whistles that he's used to, such as a rafter hook or an LED light for dark workspaces. You can watch the video review on YouTube or check out his detailed article at ProToolReviews.com.
Rob Robillard over at Toolbox Buzz once again stretches 4 minutes of information into a 2,000-word thesis on the new Milwaukee M18 backpack vac this week. He details the many features of this vac, highlighting its unique portability thanks to its cordless configuration and the option to easily wear the vac on your back. Portability, of course, comes with its own rewards, mainly allowing you to slip this purchase past your wife as part of your kid's Ghostbuster Halloween costume budget. To learn just about everything there is to know about this vac, seriously, don't miss this Toolbox Buzz video on YouTube or the article at toolboxbuzz.com.
If you've long thought that the Worx 20-volt jaw saw looks like a tool designed by your dinosaur-loving 6-year-old son, then ABE has the treat especial that you've been waiting for. In a tool review riddled with profanity and genuine disdain for the overall design, ABE once again delivers high-quality entertainment that only he can. After a thorough breakdown of the tool, he tests it out on cardboard, wood, and of course, ouch, you might as well just throw that away at this point. If you're mature enough for this level of entertainment, you can find ABE on YouTube.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Klein Tools just announced the winner of their Electrician of the Year contest, and it's not you. The winner is 4th-generation electrician Mike Adams. Besides a title you'll never attain, he's also won 2 tickets to the unnamed Super Bowl in Atlanta, along with $1,500 worth of sweet Klein tools and equipment, which I suppose he could trade for a large number of chicken dinners if that's what he was really hoping for. You can learn more about Mike, as well as the runner-up, at kleintools.com/EOY.
There's a special day of the week for everything on social media, if you look hard enough, and this week we discovered the weekly celebration of Wood Shaving Wednesday. It was on the Instagram profile of Australian Wood Review. Why would anyone want to make a cut this fine? Because it looks awesome, of course. Plus, if it takes you 4 hours to smooth out a piece of wood, your wife will just get frustrated and do the dishes for herself. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not a marriage counselor, but just go follow the hashtag WoodShavingWednesday on Instagram for more.
Reeves Carpentry on Instagram posted a picture of the Graco TC Pro cordless paint sprayer this week, featuring a DeWalt 20-volt max battery. Now, Graco has consistently won more than a few top 10 lists for professional painters, mainly for their reliability, quality, and control. But they're not the only option in the field. That's why Reeves Carpentry asked the question, what's your go-to sprayer? If you've got a favorite and you're convinced the world needs to know about it, head over to Just Build It on Instagram and fly your colors proudly. Scott has a favorite sprayer. I think it's Aquanet.
Our project of the week comes to us from Johnny Brook at Crafted Workshop, who really should get credit for 4 projects of the week. He presents this beautiful queen-size Murphy bed, complete with a river table headboard, 2 collapsible nightstands, and Alexa-powered lights. While the finished product appears close to perfection, Johnny openly admits that the design process was not, including errors in painting, measuring for the mattress thickness, and other snafus that he's happy to share with his audience in pursuit of public education. Thanks for being honest, Johnny. Go check out this video in the links below.
Alexa, cut to Rob. And finally this week, people argued on YouTube, shocking exactly no one nationwide. Specifically, Clint from Tool Review Zone found himself living a simple life of litter control and peanut butter donation, when out of the blue, Vincent, the very cool guy himself, started talking trash. It appears Vincent thinks his tool is better than Clint's. I'm not reading that.
Come on.
Okay, let's try this again. It appears Vincent thinks his Milwaukee drill is better than Clint's Ridgid tool. The things I read for the Power Tool News. Here at Coptool, we don't believe the street is the best arena for tool fights, so we reached out to these two titans of tool review and suggested they come to the Coptool studios where we could organize a proper battle, and they accepted. Thus, the biggest tool showdown in the history of Tool Showdowns 2018 Turbo Edition was born. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a bit of the action in the coming weeks.
That's going to do it for this week, but before we go, we'd like to give a shout out to our friends at Tools in Action for hitting 100,000 followers this week.
Hey, congrats are also due to Matt Lowe for winning our weekly giveaway, the Metabo 4.5-inch angle grinder from OhioPowerTool.com.
For this week's giveaway, we are tossing out love to our mechanic friends with a Crescent 148-piece mechanics tool set.
And you only need to be a fan to win. Simply subscribe to this channel and leave a vacuum-related joke in the comments below to be entered.
That sounds like a great idea. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next week.